Fastest way to get the first object from a query set in Django? Often I find myself wanting to get the first object from a query set in Django, or return none if there aren't any. There are lots of ways to do this which all work. But I'm wondering which is the most performant. Does this result in 2 database calls? That seems wasteful. Is this any faster? Another option would be this generates a single database call, which is good, but requires creating an exception object a lot of the time, which is a very memory-intensive thing to do when all you really need is a trivial if test. How can I do this with just a single database call and without churning memory with exception objects?
You can use array slicing, which can be used with .filter. You wouldn't want to first turn it into a list because that would force a full database call of all the records. Just do the above and it will only pull the first. You could even use .order_by to ensure you get the first you want. Be sure to add the .get, or else you will get a query set back and not an object.
Django 1.6, released November 2013, introduced the convenience methods first and last, which swallow the resulting exception and return none if the query set returns no objects.
Now, in Django 1.9 you have first method for query sets. This is a better way than .get, or 0, because it does not throw an exception if query set is empty, therefore, you don't need to check using exists.
이거 혹시 뭐 제목 그 문제 좀 계속 거든.